Hello and welcome. Today is current date, and we've got an exciting update for those looking to enhance their streaming experience. If you haven't subscribed yet, take a moment to hit that button for more awesome content. Also, visit 2tv.store, your ultimate IPTV provider. In this video, we'll walk you through a simple, step-by-step tutorial on setting up IPTV on your Firestick device. First, ensure your Firestick is connected to your home Wi-Fi. Then, navigate to the Amazon App Store, search for Downloader, and install it. Launch the Downloader app and enter the URL provided by your IPTV service. Once downloaded, install the IPTV application. Open the app, enter your IPTV credentials, and rejoice in the world of limitless streaming content. All that's left is to explore the vast libraries of shows and movies at your fingertips. After you've soaked in this awesome new capability, remember to check out 2tv.store for the best service around. Hit subscribe for future updates and more cutting-edge tips in the realm of IPTV.